Okay, hari ini kita akan belajar. So today we will learn on the relationship between accelerator pedal and throttle body. Okay. Common problem that we face ataupun kita dengar daripada pengguna drive by wire. Okay, by the way, this system is drive by wire. So kita ada accelerator pedal. Dekat sini, here we have some type of potentiometer ataupun kita panggil perintah boleh laras lah bahasa Melayu dia, adjustable resistor. So maksudnya bila dia berpusing, so if this pedal is pushed, the resistance change or the voltage signal to the ECU also change. Okay, and then the signal will be transmitted to the ECU. Signal akan dihantar ke ECU dan ECU akan memberi arahan. The ECU will direct the throttle body to open its valve based on dia punya input. Okay. Common problem yang kita dengar daripada users pasal drive-by wire ni is lagging. Okay. Terutamanya as for me, for myself, saya rasa kereta ni agak lagging terutamanya bila kita nak reverse. Okay. So bila kita tekan pedal sikit, kereta tak reverse lagi. Dan bila kita tekan lagi dalam, tiba-tiba kereta reverse dengan laju. So dia tak mengikut apa yang saya fikir saya nak buat. Okay? It doesn't respond to how I want the car to react lah. Okay. Another thing is when we want to overtake, bila kita nak potong, we push the pedal, but there's some time lag before the car start accelerating. Okay. So this problem basically ada dua benda yang contribute. One is the basically the ECU punya processing speed. So daripada input kita nak hantar ke ECU, and then ECU will need to compute apa dia nak kena buat, and then it will need to send the signal to the throttle body. So dekat situ ada timing, ada time lag kat situ. Another thing is for fuel saving, untuk jimat minyak, okay, untuk jimat minyak, the car manufacturer itself yang setting supaya kereta tu tak respon selaju itu, okay, supaya penjimatan minyak dapat dilakukan. Okay. Okay, that is the second reason for fuel consumption punya purpose. Okay, dekat eksperimen sini kita nak tengok, we will want to see how much is the time lag between the input and the response. Okay, hari tu kita dah check. So dekat sini throttle pedal A is the ground. Okay. So kita ada ground lagi satu dekat sini lah. Okay, ataupun sorry, hari ini kita nak measure. Sorry, saya buat silap. Okay. First, pedal, we will hook it to the channel A. So, A is ground punya signal. So, kita letak dekat ground. And then, from previous week, the signal is B. So, B will go to channel A. So, let's see if you can see here. B will go to channel A plus. Okay. As for throttle body, we will measure it on channel B. So channel B So connection dia B dekat sini is plus, and then channel B punya ground dekat. Okay. So that is the wiring yang kita akan pakai for oscilloscope recorder. Okay, next, what we need to do, turn on this equipment and then go to laptop. Okay, so we have hooked up the sensors and the actuator dekat ni lah, Lucas dulu dekat laptop punya software. Okay, now what we want to do is, okay, kita akan buka lab apa ni, Lucas dulu ni punya software. So dekat sini. Okay, and this is cartridge punya apa ni, module. So we will choose cartridge. Okay. Okay, since benda ni tak ada pun dalam software ni, we just tap out the signal from actuator and sensors. Kita cuma nak pakai oscilloscope. We want to use oscilloscope. Okay, dekat sini ialah oscilloscope dia. So you can see it's quite similar dengan previous lab. So you have time per division, we see, which is the x-axis setting, and you have channel A, channel B, and channel C. So in this module, you can use up to 3 signal. Okay, and this is the range per division, same as previously. So ini pun semua lain, semua sama. Okay. So how do we change channel A punya setting? So basically you click on channel A and then click this range per division and then you change. Okay, time per division is same for all 3, and if you want to off the channel, just click this button. Okay, this is the oscilloscope. Okay, now in this situation, first, we know that the sensor will give out at most 5 volt punya voltage. Okay, so dekat sini ada sensor and actuator. Basically, you have two parts. Dekat sini throttle body, you have actuator and you have also sensor. Okay, so sensor dia is a position sensor yang bagi tahu angle of the opening. And the actuator basically is the motor that move the opening. Okay, so now first we know that actuator will give 5 volt at most voltage, and then for this test, what I want to do is I want to push the throttle pedal up and release. The total time of the process will be around 5 seconds. Okay, given the situation, how do you set the oscilloscope? Okay, I give you a certain amount of time for you to think what kind of setting that you need to choose. So this is berapa banyak selection yang you can use for time per division, and this is range per division. Okay, so I leave you some time for you to think berapa nak pakai setting. So pause this video and think.